Hey, what's up? I don't know what I just did with my hand, but whatever. I'm going to be introducing you to my cat, Kobe. I just can't find him. I'm gonna go look for him. Gonna introduce him to you. Be right back. So hey guys, I looked all over the place and I found him sleeping. Now he's gonna try to bite me. He's biting me. He's so cute. Well, ow, 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 ow. He put his nails on my chest. There you go. Kobe, say hi to my subscribers. No! Don't do that. Say hi. No! Okay, I'll be getting his toy. Be right back. So I'm back, YouTube. This guy's toy. He actually broke his mouse toy. Kobe! Kobe! And he farts a lot. Kobe, you wanna play in front of the camera? Mom, it's a video. I'll be right back. This is Kobe's snacks. He paused the video. But I still should have seen him dropping the camera coming. But whatever. I'll be right back real quick. Kobe, do not unpause it. So I'm back, guys. This is his snacks. He really likes them. They're irresistibles. Kobe, is that how much you hate YouTube? Yeah, he doesn't like the camera. No, not my baby picture. Would you like if I did that to yours? Especially not Grandpa. No. Don't trample all over Grandpa. Kobe, you want your snacks? Kobe, stop covering the camera with your ugly butt. My mom is coming. My God. A lot of fails in this. Kobe, that's your fail. I'm not getting the ball back from you. He might knock down the camera. Might. Kobe! No, don't jump! This is the highest table ever. So I'm feeding him one of his irresistibles to thank him because he's in my video. These are not really irresistible because I hate fish. And this is, this is salmon. Mom! My mom's talking to my dad. Be right back. So, I'm back. These irresistibles. Wait, Kobe! He was literally about to kill himself. Kobe, can you move your butt? Cats nowadays. No, get away from there. Looks like he wants to get off. You can jump, Kobe, jump. Jump. Ooh. I want you guys to see him jump. Kobe! No, don't jump from there. It's dangerous. Okay, I'll make you jump. Boom. There, he jumped. No, he didn't. He's about to jump off the chair. I'll show you this. Kobe, are you going to jump? Time for you to jump. He ripped up that chair. Kobe? Jump! Oh, he's hitting me off. I don't want him to do that. Well, I haven't been making videos for a while, but the best one is introducing you guys to my cat, Kobe. Bye. Bye, guys. Oh, but Kobe. Ow! Bye. Like, comment, and subscribe.